Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the mini handheld vacuum cordless, a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that you definitely need in your life. This handheld car vacuum is a 3-in-1 multifunctional powerhouse with the ability to vacuum, blow, and pump. It effortlessly sucks up dust and debris from your car seats, carpets, and crevices, and can easily blow away dust from keyboards, camera lenses, and pianos. Plus, it can even be used to inflate balloons and swimming rings. With 5 different accessories, this vacuum is perfect for all your cleaning and inflating needs. The 8,000 pascal suction power and rechargeable battery ensure that this vacuum gets the job done efficiently, and the lightweight and compact design make it a breeze to use. Plus, the washable and reusable filter means that this vacuum is not only powerful but also sustainable. And the best part? We offer a 1-year warranty and top-notch after-sales service. So, if you're in the market for a new handheld vacuum, look no further than the mini handheld vacuum cordless. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible cleaning tool. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.